right, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Sabrina Carpenter. You recognize that name? She released some songs recently, and we're gonna taste some of her songs. And yeah, you know what? This song actually is named Taste. All right. So let's take a look at Sabrina's Taste song here, and we're gonna do that with capo set on the 3rd fret. All right. So that's the setup, and let's take a look at the chords needed. So we're gonna start with G first. All right, so it goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have F as well. That's a bar chord where you play the bar on the 1st fret. You cover all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is E minor. And that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we have one main playing here in this song, and that's what we're gonna start with to look at. And it goes G, A minor, and F. And then we have different endings there. I'm gonna show you first one stripped down with just strumming, but then we have different endings with different melodies. So you can add that one as well and go back and forth and be flexible with it. So we're gonna start with the main part, which is G, A minor, and F. So you're gonna start with G, grab that chord, and you're gonna play like this. So that is down, clap, down. Then you switch to A minor and play 2 downs and a clap. And then you play F, 1 down and a clap. That is always there, all right? So you're gonna play that all the time in this main part. So to summarize this, it will be G, down, clap, down, then A minor, down, down, clap, and then F, down, clap, like this. And then you can have different endings. One ending is just to continue with strumming, and then you keep that F there and play down, down, clap, down. And you ended one round. Then you go back and play G, A minor, and so on. So that is one ending to just continue with strumming after the down clap on F, and just stay with the F and play down, down, clap, down. So the full F there will be, okay? So down, clap, and then down, down, clap, down. If you wanna have the notes and yeah, flash a little bit with what you can play and so on, you have different endings now. And if you listen carefully in the beginning of this song, they actually display 3 different endings, and they're used throughout this song. So the first version is to play, after you play the F part, down, clap, which is always there, okay? Then you're gonna play the notes. So you found them there on the D string, the 2nd D, 2 times, then open D, and 3rd A. And then you start all over a new round with G. And then a new round, all right? Then you have the 2nd ending, which can be like this, or is like this. So instead of playing the, we just learned, you're gonna play, which is 1st fret on E string, 3rd A, open D, 2nd D, and back to open D. You play that again connected to the F. So the F will end with, or start with down clap with strumming, and then this melody, it goes like this. All right, that's the 2nd melody. And then we have a 3rd version of it, and it goes like this. 4 notes, and that will be open A, 3rd A, 3rd E in the bass, and 1st E in the bass. So you add that to the F strumming, so F comes down clap, and then this third version, it will be like this. So you have 3 different variations here of melody, or you can just stick with strumming down, down, clap, down, and that will end kind of the main part of the song. Then we have a pre-chorus, and it happens about 22 seconds into the song the first time. And this is where we need to learn or use the E minor. So you're gonna play E minor, down, clap, down, down, and then you're gonna go to F and just play 1 down and the pause. So that happens at about 22 seconds into the song, and after that, E minor and F, you go back to the main part and just continue with that. So the main part is really like 95% of the song. So that pretty much covers Sabrina Carpenter's tasty song. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you love Sabrina, subscribe to this channel. She will be back for sure, that's a promise. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.